the foundation of well-being nutrient-dense foods. Our bodies are incredible machines capable of amazing things. To function at their best, they need the right fuel. That fuel comes from nutrient-dense foods. These foods pack a powerful nutritional punch. They provide vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Think of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Imagine your body as a car. You wouldn't put low-quality fuel in a high-performance vehicle. The same goes for your body. Nutrient-dense foods are like premium fuel, optimizing your body's performance. They support your energy levels, boost your immune system, and promote overall health. Choosing nutrient-dense foods doesn't mean sacrificing taste or enjoyment. There are countless delicious and satisfying options. Experiment with different cuisines, explore farmers' markets, and try new recipes. Remember, eating for health should be a pleasurable experience, not a chore. Superfoods, nature's powerhouse of nutrition. Within the realm of nutrient-dense foods, certain standouts deserve special recognition: superfoods. These nutritional powerhouses offer a concentrated dose of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Incorporating superfoods into your diet can provide an extra boost to your health and well-being. Consider blueberries, tiny fruits bursting with antioxidants that combat cell damage, or spinach, a leafy green rich in iron which carries oxygen throughout your body. Don't forget about salmon, packed with omega-3 fatty acids, crucial for brain and heart health. Adding superfoods to your meals doesn't have to be complicated. Sprinkle chia seeds on your yogurt, toss some walnuts into your salad, or enjoy a salmon fillet for dinner. The key is to find ways to incorporate these nutritional powerhouses into your diet regularly. Meal prepping. Planning your way to success. In today's fast-paced world, finding time for healthy eating can be a challenge. That's where meal prepping comes in. This simple strategy involves preparing your meals or components of your meals in advance. It's a game changer for maintaining a balanced diet amidst a busy schedule. Imagine this: it's the end of a long day and you're exhausted. The last thing you want to do is cook a healthy meal. But wait, you open the refrigerator and find a delicious, pre-made salad with grilled chicken and a side of quinoa. Meal prepping takes the guesswork out of healthy eating, especially when time is tight. Start by designating a specific time each week for meal prepping. Sundays often work well for many. Choose recipes that are easy to prepare in bulk. Roast a tray of vegetables, grill some chicken breasts, and cook a large pot of quinoa. Portion them out into containers for easy grab-and-go meals throughout the week. Clean eating, nourishing your body from the inside out. Clean eating is more than just a trend, it's a lifestyle choice that focuses on consuming whole, unprocessed foods. It's about nourishing your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. Clean eating emphasizes fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, while minimizing processed foods, added sugars, and unhealthy fats. Think of clean eating as a way of simplifying your diet. It's about getting back to the basics, choosing foods in their most natural state. Instead of reaching for a sugary cereal bar, opt for a piece of fruit and a handful of nuts. Swap out processed snacks for cut-up vegetables and hummus. Clean eating isn't about deprivation or following strict rules, it's about making conscious choices that support your health and well-being. Start by incorporating more whole foods into your diet gradually. Experiment with new recipes, and remember to enjoy the process of nourishing your body from the inside out.